How are you
Mm,
today?
I'm doing good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good also.
Mm.
Yeah, I just got some fruits. They're called jamun. Have you heard
Oh,
of them?
jamun. Uh, yeah, someone told me, but I haven't seen them.
Oh, it's like a small purple fruit, like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's my first time trying them. Have you tried
Oh,
them before?
no, I haven't tried.
Oh, yeah, I think they're only in India.
Yeah, I think so, but yeah, I think I should try.
Oh, yeah. So, what is there anything that you'd like to talk about today?
Uh, Maybe we can talk about pronunciation. Oh,
Okay.
like maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Is there any help you want specifically with pronunciation?
Uh, no, you can just like help me when I speak. Like maybe, as I speak, maybe you can correct me.
Okay, I'll try and
Yeah,
correct you. But
yeah.
you speak
Okay.
very well. It's very difficult to find a mistake with you. Yeah, if I hear something, I'll tell you, okay?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So, because yesterday we talked kind of about like habits and uh,
Yeah.
motivation, inspiration, things like that. And you said you do like lots of exercises and positive things in your day. And what about your diet? Is that something that you also focus on?
Yeah, very much.
Oh,
Yeah. Without, proper diet, I think like my body cannot function properly.
oh, I can't hear you now.
Oh my God. Can I?
Okay, now I can.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
getting a call, so I don't know how
Oh,
to like, block it.
okay. No
Mm.
problem.
Yeah. See, like I do intense workout, so I think when we do intense workout, like we need more protein in our body. Like whenever we do exercise, we work out, our muscle breaks, and to rejuvenate the muscles, we need to eat more protein, and we need to have that balanced diet.
Mhm.
So yeah, I try to eat as healthy as possible. I try to eat low fats. Like it's very essential to eat oils and have like healthy fats,
Mhm.
but it's taking lots of butter, lots of oil in fried rice and stuff like that.
Mhm.
So it's not healthy. So I try to eat healthy fats. Like there are healthy fats. We get healthy fats from dry fruits like almonds, peanuts, and
Mhm.
there are lots of other sources like olive, flaxseed, coconut
Mhm.
oil. So those are like very healthy fats for that helps to give like more essential amino acids and all the essential vitamins and nutrients that our body needs.